Hello again. Today we have Acer Predator laptop. The problem with the laptop, it doesn't power on. It was working fine until yesterday, and today the customer tried to power it on and the laptop doesn't show any signs of life. This laptop has some history. First, the power button is a little bit DIY because the power button on the keyboard is not working. But it's worked like this for the past 2 years. In the past there was a problem with the BIOS, so the BIOS was also reflashed, and also the CPU have some throttling problems, so I had to lower the maximum speed of the CPU, but that's not the issue right now. Right now if you plug the power, the laptop starts to charge for a while. We can hear some click. It goes for it charge with about 400 milliamps. After that goes to 700 milliamps. After that it stops and it goes back to 400 again, which pretty much is not a good sign. But since the laptop is here, I will open it. We can have a look. I hope it's something simple like frozen BIOS, but I doubt. So let me find the box. And let's start. We're gonna remove all the screws on the back and we should be able to get access to the back of the board. We're gonna do the regular stuff like disconnecting the battery, try to power on only with the charger. The model of the laptop is Acer Helios 300. The model is PH315. This laptop has seen a better days for sure. It wasn't, how do I say it, it was not taken care of very good, so yeah. So let's leave the back cover. Here we can see the wires for the power button that are run like this. So let's first disconnect the battery. Try to I think that's the CMOS battery. So let's disconnect it and try to reset the BIOS. We want to short the pins a little bit for a few seconds. Now let's connect back. Let me try to power on without the battery to see will there be any difference. Now the laptop is taking 20 milliamps. Now 0. Let's press the power button. I have a fan spin, but for a second, and I think yeah, the laptop will power on. We have to wait a little bit because we did reset the BIOS. Yeah, the laptop restarts. Let's wait, the CPU is getting hot. Let's wait. 2 amps is charging. I mean it's taking power, not charging, because the battery is disconnected. Let's wait a little bit for the picture. It powers off again. Yeah, and we have picture. That's perfect. Okay, let's try to plug back the battery and see, will it start charging. You can't see, but we have the orange light here, and the laptop is taking about 500 milliamps, which is strange, but the battery may be faulty or something. Let's try to power on the laptop again. Yeah, I hear the hard drive spins, and the laptop is working fine, which is nice. So pretty much the only problem here was a frozen BIOS. Now the customer said that he left the laptop without to be plugged in the charger, and he went from work, and in the morning the laptop was pretty much dead. So yeah, we have a picture. The only problem here was the frozen BIOS. So if you have this type of problem, the first thing of course you have to do is disconnect the main battery, check if there is a CMOS battery on the board, disconnect it, short the pins for let's say 10-20 seconds, and after that try again. In our case we are lucky because it was just a frozen BIOS. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna clean the laptop a little bit, I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna call the customer to come and pick it up because he says he has some work to do on it. Basically that's the whole video. I hope you like it. Bye bye for now.